Guanajuato is in the running for one of the most beautiful cities in Mexico. It's definitely in the top 5, if not the top 3.
Forgetting Mexico, the world.
Or Kim, well, it's a big statement right there. Kim says that as
cities
in the world, not just in Mexico.
Yeah.
But a lot of people don't know that Mexico is just full of beautiful cities. They just assume that you go here and you get kidnapped by the cartel and you die. And usually 99% of the time that doesn't happen. Now you don't want to be that 1% though. That would be very tragic. One of Kim's favorite things are when the streets have either flags above you, or her personal favorite is umbrellas. She is a big fan of the umbrella streets, but she likes flags equally as much. So this is a great street for her to take a stroll down.
Umbrella streets and flag streets make people happy. They make me happy.
They make me happy too.
It just makes the town look much friendlier, you know?
Yeah.
I also do like the ones where they hang the shoes on the drop.
I've only been to one of those, and that was a bar in New York City.
I was in a street in Brazil.
Nice.
They had draws. I've been to the street.
Yeah, we were here yesterday. What I also love is that there are just so many plazas where you can just sit down, take a break, take a breather, relax, let the time go by without worrying about anything, without having a care in the world. And that's what it's all about sometimes. Instead of being in a rush all the time, like when I go back home to New York City, the city that never sleeps. As we proceed to give you what you need. You see what I mean? You can't go anywhere without seeing a nice plaza in a beautiful area to just sit down and relax in. And then you can see the view of the houses up here as well. It just keeps getting better and better and better. And I also love how they trim the trees in like a rectangle or a square-like shape. Makes them look nice and unique, manicured. The aesthetics are on point here. Also good for shade if you just want to like stand underneath a tree like this. What?
Like a giant frozen slushy, like a big icy sweet, too much colorful something.
Huh?
Frozen slushy, like a big icy sweet, too much colorful something. You?
I could go for a frozen, a frosé.
Is that KFC? I've never seen
A frozen
KFC
rosé.
look like that.
We saw it yesterday.
Does KFC know that they look like this?
Yeah, so all of the fast food places like Starbucks, McDonald's, KFC, they all are in the older buildings. I don't think they're allowed to, no, gracias.
Gracias.
I don't think they're allowed to make like, the standard versions of their restaurants. They have to keep it like this older style, up to code,
Not allowed to make changes to the exterior.
Yeah, you can't change.
Ooh, Modelo.
You want to go in and get one?
I just want a water.
This is what I'm here for. Oh, you wanted a slushie, here we go. Your dreams have come true.
Like a big icy sweet, too much colorful something. You?
So let me show you something over here. Come with me here. So you see down here how there's a tunnel here? So this city, Guanajuato, right? Guanajuato. They have tunnels because back in the day they had a problem with the water flooding the city. So they built all these tunnels to divert the water away from the city. So a lot of this city here is pedestrian only, and all the cars go underneath in these tunnels. As a matter of fact, a lot of the bus stops, bus stations, you have to go down a staircase underground into a tunnel, just like these guys are going here. Come with me. And we'll do our thing. You can get a workout on these stairs.
Oh, in class in here.
Oh, you can hear like a lecture.
Yeah.
So this is part of the university. This place has something like 34,000 students enrolled. This town is nice because it's got a lot of young people, got a young vibe. Want to go up to the top? Huh? Why not, right?
Run like Rocky.
Okay, go. I don't see you running back there. I see you walking. You're supposed to run. Look at the city. I would say the number one problem with this city is you can't put your camera away. As soon as you put it away, you got to whip it back out, start taking more photos and more videos because it's so beautiful. Everywhere you look, you see something that's photo worthy. This right back here is the Teatro Juarez, which we might go take a tour of later today. We'll see what happens. It's a very nice building though, check it out.
Like a big, icy, sweet, too much colorful something. You?
So this city has a lot of plants, a lot of bushes, a lot of trees, a lot of statues, a lot of fountains, a lot of flowers. It's just very beautiful everywhere you look. It looks a lot better than Barcelona in my opinion. It's very European-like.
Hola.
It looks like they're still setting up now and there's more to come.
Like a big, icy, sweet, too much colorful something. You?
Hay que tomarnos una foto con la muerte.
Con la muerte.